welcome to Baking with Bifrost. I'm a huge fan of NASA, and everything about the universe and beyond is just so amazingly beautiful. Also, everything galaxy looks awesome, so today I'm going to show you how to make some galaxy-inspired blueberry and lemon rolls. Let's bake! To make these galaxy rolls, you will need 1 cup of warm milk, 3 teaspoons of instant dry yeast, 2 eggs at room temperature, half a cup of cooled melted butter, 4.5 cups of flour, half a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and also a bit of blue and pink food coloring. To make the filling, you will need 400 grams of blueberries, either frozen or fresh, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and some lemon curd. If you're using frozen berries, let the water run off before you add the sugar and cornstarch on top. Give it a little shake and set aside. Put the yeast in a mixing bowl and slowly add the warm milk. Not too hot or you're gonna kill the yeast. While you're slowly mixing, add the eggs. Then add the melted butter, the salt, and the sugar. Now add flour until the mixture starts to thicken. Then separate into 2 bowls and add blue color to one and pink to the other. Then add flour to both doughs and knead them until they don't stick to your hands. The colors are supposed to have a marble effect, so don't knead them too much. Cover the bowls with plastic or a towel and let them rise to double size in a warm and cozy place. Now take the 2 doughs and knead them separately first. When they have a good consistency and no longer sticks to your hands, combine the 2 doughs and start rolling it out to a large square. Then take a spatula and your lemon curd and start spreading it all over the dough. Find your bowl of blueberries and start sprinkling them over the dough as evenly as you can. Now start on the bottom going up, roll the dough carefully. Then take a knife and cut about 12 thick slices. If you have more slices, you can just put them into several pans. The use of fresh blueberries will probably be a whole lot less messier. Prepare a pan with baking paper and carefully place the rolls inside. Cover the pan with a towel and wait about 20 minutes for the second round of rising. Preheat the oven to 190 degrees and bake in the middle of the oven for about 25 minutes. If they don't seem cooked through, let them stay for another 5 minutes. When they are done, take them out and let them cool completely in the pan. You can use a spatula to separate them a bit, so it's going to be easier to grab a piece after. And finally, for the decorations, I used powdered sugar and water to make royal icing, a couple teaspoons of lemon zest, and a few star sprinkles. To finish off the rolls, make a royal icing using powdered sugar with water until you have a decent consistency. Not too runny and not too thick. Let the icing set for a few minutes in the fridge. Spread it over the rolls as you like. Then finish it off with some lemon zest and some star sprinkles to complete the galaxy design. And there you go! A delicious, sweet, and zesty treat for a breakfast in a spaceship or a lunch on the couch. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. For more upcoming videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the little notifications bell. If you happen to like my cosplays and other creations as well, you can follow me on any of these medias. Until next time, bye!